Why are reviews important? Did you know 88% of consumers trust online reviews as much as personal recommendations? Let that sink in for a second. 88% of consumers trust online reviews as much as personal recommendations. That is absolutely insane, and to be honest, I still get a little bit shocked to this day when I read that stat. In regards to reviews, there's not much more that can top a personal recommendation. As normally, personal recommendations come from people you already trust. Which, if you think about it, once you get a personal recommendation, you're basically sold already, right? As why would you go elsewhere when someone you know has recommended this service to you? This is why personal recommendations are so powerful. And the fact that online reviews can just be as impactful is clear evidence and the importance of why you should have reviews on your website. Reviews play multiple roles. They help provide social proof, which drives purchases. If you think about it, no one buys products or services that doesn't have some social proof behind them. They make you more visible. Reviews increase the amount of times your brand is referenced online, which by logic increases your visibility. Reviews also on your GMB listing can help you rank higher, especially if they have keywords in them. So the more reviews you have, the higher your click-through rate will be, thus the higher you will rank. They also make you look more trustworthy. All good companies have reviews. You want to make sure you follow suit and look trustworthy too. Reviews also help expand the conversation about you. When people see reviews, they typically start to ask around in their local network about your brand. For example, anyone heard of company ABC? Thus starting a whole conversation about your company, which if you provide good work is a good thing. They're also increasingly essential in decision making. If all else is equal between you and your competition, then 9 times out of 10, the reviews will be the deciding factor. If you look at the reviews from Google's perspective, it's pretty much the same. Having reviews proves to Google that you are a real business and should be trusted, which will help your rankings. As like I've said many times, Google does not put any sites on page 1 it doesn't trust. So now we know why reviews are important. Let's look at how to generate them in the next video.